Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share QR code of your Instagram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, of course, we have to open up our Instagram application on our mobile phone. And then I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages and open up one of my group chat on Instagram. I'm going to click on this icon to go to the Instagram DM. And then, for example, I'm going to share QR code of this group chat. Okay, tap on the group chat to open it. And then we can simply click on invite link right here. Or you can also click on the group chat's name and then select invite link. And here you'll be able to share the QR code of your Instagram group chat. You can click on the QR code and you will get the QR code of your group chat. And before you share your QR code, you can customize the QR code. You can change the color like this. And you can choose the color that you like. I'm gonna go with this one. And you can click on share QR code right here. Like this guys. Click on share QR code and you will be able to share it. You'll be able to share it to other apps such as Telegram, Facebook, or maybe WhatsApp. Just select the application you want to share this QR code to, or you can save the QR code of your group chat and you can share it later. If you want to save it, you just need to click on save QR code. But before it, you can customize your QR code and click on the save QR code. Alright, and now the QR code has been saved to my gallery and I'm going to check it guys. I'm going to open up my gallery. Okay, and let's see where the QR code is. Usually the QR code will be saved to our Instagram folder. Wait, I'm still searching for the Instagram folder guys. If you found it's difficult to find in your gallery, you can go to your file manager on your Android mobile phone and you can go to the recent files. Okay, and this is the QR code I have just saved from my Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share QR code of our Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.